Howdy, YouTubers. Oh, I'm sick. I totally feel like shit. I got the sniffling, sneezing, stuffy head, coughing, achy flu. Ugh. I'm sure it has nothing to do with the fact that I left the house every day this week with wet hair while it's 4 degrees outside. Idiot! 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 So how you doing, YouTubers? Well, aside from my cold, I'm doing okay. I'm actually feeling better today than I did yesterday. Yesterday I thought I was gonna die. I lost my voice and I was sneezing and coughing all day long, and I drugged myself up with Theraflu and Alka-Seltzer Cold Plus medicine and just slept. Theraflu. Theraflu is my friend. I love you, Theraflu. I love you. I love you. I slept and slept and slept. And then Chica came over to take care of me, and I slept through that. And I got up and took more medicine, and I went back to sleep. So, I think I caught up on some of the sleep I was missing. So I do feel better today, even though it's all coming out today, you know. So I'm gross. So what are all y'all doing this weekend? I am probably going to do a little bit more Christmas shopping. That's all I'm going to do this weekend. What are you guys doing? Tell me about it. I'll probably be in stick camp tonight because it's Bud Light Friday. For us UPCers. UPC! And these people are so crazy. They are so much fun to hang out with. They're just insane. And I love it. These are people... The UPCers are people who are never... They're gonna age, but they'll never grow old. I like them. So, y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.